Good morning, students. In the continuation of your class 9th, chapter 13, biology, we had discussed in the last classes the different various types of diseases and their causative agents and how they spread from an infected person to a healthy person. Okay, today we are going to discuss about how to treat the infectious diseases. Suppose if we get from any infectious disease, that how it can be treated. So there are two major methods of this treatment. The first is either once we got infected, then on the basis of the symptoms it can be treated. Suppose हमको कोई बीमारी हो गई तो हमारे अंदर क्या होते हैं, कुछ सिम्टम्स डेवलप होते हैं. उस सिम्टम बेस पे हम क्या करते हैं, हम कुछ दवाइयाँ खाते हैं. दिस इज द सिम्टम बेस्ड ट्रीटमेंट. ठीक है, एंड दिस इज द केस व्हेन वंस वी आर गेट इन्फेक्टेड. सेकेंड वे इज कि वी आर गोइंग टू इरेडिकेट द कॉज ऑफ डिजीज, कि हम ऐसा कुछ कर दें जिससे हमको डिजीज होने ही ना पाए. ठीक है, तो इस दो तरीक़ों से हम क्या कर सकते हैं, किसी भी डिजीज को हम रोक सकते हैं. तो इन दिस video we will see how we are going to treat the infectious diseases.
There are two different ways to treat infectious diseases. The first way reduces the effects of the disease, which is called symptom-based treatment. The other way eliminates the cause of the disease.
See, these are the different methods, that is the elimination of cause of disease, like the different vaccines that are present in our for the different diseases. These are the vaccines are helpful in the elimination of cause of disease. And the first method, by taking medicine, it will be on the basis of symptoms, means it is a symptom based. Suppose we develop any particular symptom, like we are having fever, along with this we are having severe cold also, then it can be a symptom of this common cold, so we can take this medicine of common cold. But this is the case when once we are get infected. Second method is we are going to eradicate the cause of disease, so it is called this because of this vaccination.
Is a symptom based treatment enough to get rid of an infectious disease? Not completely. Symptom-based treatment does not eliminate the causative agents.
See, it is asked कि it is suppose हमको कोई ऐसी बीमारी हो गई जो हम सिम्टम बेस्ड है. मान लो हमको कॉमन कोल्ड हो गया, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि एक बार कॉमन कोल्ड हो गया तो वो दोबारा नहीं होगा. अगर हमने मेडिसिन खा लिया तो ठीक है, वो ख़त्म हो जाएगा, बट अगेन वी विल गेट इन्फेक्टेड फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर डिजीज. सो इट इज़ नॉट द सिम्टम बेस्ड ट्रीटमेंट्स आर नॉट, it is permanent. Okay, once we will take the medicine we will get cured, but again there may be chances कि we will get infected from this particular disease. So what we can do, we can opt the next method, because these medicines contain certain chemicals that kill the particular pathogen. Okay, and at particular time we will cured from that particular disease, but there may be chances कि we will get infected again and again.
The microbes. Different types of microbes like viruses, bacteria, fungi or protozoa have a particular biochemical life process which is different from other groups. So the patient has to
see, these are the different medicines. These are the medicines for the different diseases. Skin disease and malaria patient, these are having two different types of microorganism. So we cannot treat it with the same type of medicine. For that we require different types of medicines. So it is difficult to treat a particular disease, different diseases with a particular medicines.
To take medicines according to the type of microbe that has caused the disease. What are antibiotics?
antibiotics. These are the medicines. Very frequently we take the antibiotic. The antibiotics are basically it was prepared to kill the bacteria. Okay, in the case of this bacterial infection, we can take this antibiotics like this Nystatin or tetracycline, or and many other are there that is present in our market, okay, and sold with the name different names. So these are the medicines that we take in the case of bacterial infections. But what they do, they secrete a certain chemicals that stop the growth of bacterial cell and thus kill the cell. Okay, so this is the antibiotic that we take in the case of bacteria.
Antibiotics are medicines that are used to kill invading organisms like bacteria, fungi, and protozoa. For example, bacteria make cell walls to protect themselves. The antibiotic penicillin blocks the synthesis of the cell wall.
See, this is the functioning of antibiotic. It blocks the cell wall, okay, and thus the microorganisms get killed. So this is the function of antibiotic,
resulting in the death of the bacteria. However, antibiotics are not effective against viruses. What drugs are used to kill viruses? Antiviral drugs are meant.
okay, antibiotics are ineffective against the viruses. So what we can do, we can get another mean of this treatment that is called this vaccination. So in the case of this viral diseases, we get vaccinated. Like recent times, we are being vaccinated with the help with the vaccine that is prepared against this COVID, and it is the viral disease. So the best treatment of this viral disease, it is the vaccination or immunization.
For treating viral diseases, antiviral drugs are difficult to prepare as compared to antibacterial drugs because viruses are unique in the sense that they grow only inside the host and keep on changing their form during different stages of life.
Okay, see, this is the case of virus. It keeps changing its structure, and it is the unique structure because when it is out of the body, so it is non-living component. But when it reaches in the body of a particular living organism, then it start to its life cycle, and it keep changing its structure. So it is very difficult to kill these viruses with the help of an antibiotic. For that reason, some antiviral diseases are there that are helpful to kill these viruses, or best thing is that is the immunization. Okay.
Similarly, some drugs kill protozoa such as the malaria parasite. What problems are faced in the treatment of patients? Some problems are faced in the treatment of many infectious diseases. The first is that once someone has a disease, their body functions are damaged and may never recover completely. Secondly, the treatment may take time to take effect. May spread to other people. This is why the prevention of diseases is better than the cure. In this module,
so this is all about the preventive methods against a particular disease. Okay, students. So this chapter is almost, it is finished. So I will send you the notes. You have to complete your copies and you have to revise this chapter properly. Okay, students. Thank you.